All right, folks. So we just got a radio. Just got delivered. Let's see.
Been waiting a couple weeks for this. Alright, so we have here the main harness that came with it. The screen did not come attached to the bezel. I guess we'll do that once we're ready to rock and roll. This is the main harness for the radio. This is the CAN bus decoder, I guess, for the steering wheel controls. This goes here. This goes to the harness of the car. Not sure where this goes. It doesn't look like it goes to any of those. Maybe to the car. Looks like this one goes to the car as well, because we don't have one that fits it. Oh, does it? No. Let's see. Oh, maybe it does. Okay. This goes to the fan, cooling fan. There goes another plug. This plug gives you everything: subwoofer, audio out, rear camera in, video out, microphone input, and the SIM card. Can't wait to test this out, because I do have a SIM card laying around. I'm going to plug this baby in right here. This goes to the cooling fan, which is also tied into the amp control wire. Bam. The next one looks like reverse camera. Nope, that's not the reverse camera. Well, let's see. Alright, so it is the reverse camera input. Back video in. This goes to the plug, the factory harness. So these two go to the factory harness. Next we have the antenna, AM FM, right there. This is the 4G antenna for that SIM card. So you just plug it in. GPS antenna for Google Maps. As you can tell, I'm very excited to install this. And then we have two USB plugs. The first one goes right here. The next one goes right next to it. So that's pretty cool. And yes, I do think this one goes here. I just don't know what it is. And then there's an extra plug there. Not sure what it does.